Welcome to Gen Quiz, General Knowledge, English and Numerical Quiz. General Knowledge. There are 20 questions to answer. You have 10 seconds for each question. You must choose the correct answer before time runs out. You can share your score in the comment section below, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you're ready, let's get started. Which of the following languages is written from right to left? Answer: A. Hebrew. In which country would you find the Sherwin Castle? Answer: A. Germany. Who was the first person to fly over the North Pole? Answer: D. Richard Byrd. Which of the following animals has its heart located in its head? Answer: C. Shrimp. What term is used to describe a word or sequence that reads the same backward as forward? Answer: D. Palindrome. In what year did the Challenger space shuttle disaster happen? Answer: A. 1986. How many players are there on a standard soccer team on the field during a match? Answer: A. 11. Which acid is the primary component of vinegar? Answer: C. Acetic acid. Who was the South African leader known for his role in ending apartheid and served as the country's first black president? Answer: D. Nelson Mandela. Which hormone is often referred to as love hormone? Answer: C. Oxytocin. What classic board game involves solving a murder mystery by deducing the suspect, weapon, and location? Answer: C. Clue. What is the length of New Zealand's 90-mile beach? Answer: A. 55 miles. Resting tremors is a sign that you would observe in a person with which type of disease? Answer: D. Parkinson's disease. Who is the author of The Merchant of Venice? Answer: B. William Shakespeare. What is the main ingredient in a traditional Greek moussaka? Answer: A. Eggplant. Which NASA mission tragically ended in a cabin fire during a pre-launch test in 1967? Answer: A. Apollo 1. Which type of flower produces a vanilla pod? Answer: D. Orchid. Which U.S. president had a pet alligator? Answer: C. John Quincy Adams. Which actor directed and starred in the film Argo? Answer C. Ben Affleck. Which country is famous for bullfighting? Answer A. Spain. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.